Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth Stream Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a really fun fingerstyle arrangement of California Dreaming by the Mamas and the Papas. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, if you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab, that's available down in the description. Let's get right into the lesson. So for this one, we're in standard tuning and we have a capo placed onto the 4th fret. As always, I'll be referring to all of the chords as if there were no capo on at all. There's a short intro that goes like that. So first off, let's break that down. So it's really pretty much all over an A minor chord, but start holding down an A minor but have the second string open, so like an A sus2 chord. With that held down, play strings 4, 3, 2, and then 4 again, so. And then on the second string, play frets 3, 1, open, so. And then from there, play the 4th string, the 3rd, and then the top, and then play the 1st fret on the top, so that's. Okay, and then go to here, so you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and play that with the open top string, like that, so. Okay, and then on the 3rd string, play the 5th fret, then play the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then back to the 3rd string 4th fret, so that's like. That, then take this shape down 2 frets. So it's the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and on the 3rd string it's the 2nd fret. Play those two together. Back up 2 frets to the 3rd and the 4th, and then down again to the 1st and the 2nd. So that's just. Okay, so you've gone. And then the last bit is that. So there, it's on the 1st and the 3rd string, 7th fret together. Move that down 2 frets to the 5th. And then on the top string, it's the 3rd fret, and on the 3rd string, it's the 4th fret. So you've got like that. And then we have this E sus chord to end. So there, I'm playing the 5th fret on the top string, and with my 1st finger, I'm barring the 2nd fret on strings 3, 4, and 5, and the 2nd and the 6th string are ringing open. So you've got. Okay, so you go like that, and that's your intro. So here it is once more slowly. Then you're into the verse, and it goes like this. Okay, so that's the first half of it. Anyway, so there we're starting on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, then play open 2nd string, and then back to the 3rd string and play 2 open. So all the leaves are. Okay, then go to A minor, play strings 2, 3, and 5, and then a light strum on the chord. I'm roughly strumming strings 3 and 4, but you don't have to be really accurate about it. Just a light strum. Then I'll play the 5th string in the bass, and then go to a G. So you just need the 3rd fret held down on the 6th string, play that with strings 2 and 3. Okay, and then I'm going to play the 2nd string open. Now, if you want to be like me, go ahead. What I'll do is I'll play that with a down pick. Okay, but you can of course play it with an up pick if you want to. Doing it with a down pick just adds a slightly more percussive kind of sound to an element to what you're playing. So on the beats of 2 and 4, I'll predominantly play with a down pick. So do bear that in mind, but also know you don't have to do it. So I'll play down on the second string like that. Okay, and then we're going to an F chord, hold that down, and you're going to play the third string, so the second fret. So you've got leaves are brown, like that, okay? Like that. But if it's too hard, then just pick it, that's absolutely fine. So anyway, but on our F chord, I wrap my thumb around the back, play the sixth string first fret, like that. You can of course do it like this if that's easier, whatever you prefer, but anyway, I play that. Then I'll play the second fret on the third string. Again, that's going to be a down pick for me, but it doesn't have to be. And then open second string. Okay, and then we're going back to G, so hold down the bass note of your G chord, and I play that. So there, I'm playing the bass note, and on the third string, I'm pulling off from 3 to 2. So, like that. Okay, and then it's going to be the open third string, and then I'm sliding 1 to 2 on the fourth string. Okay, so that's there. We've gone from the start of the verse like that. Okay, and then we're on an E sus4 chord. So, you know, I'm holding down the second fret on strings 3, 4, and 5. That's an E sus4. So we play the bass, then strings 2 and 3 together, and then again, but you can add the bass in as well if you want to, and then again with the bass. Okay, and then strings 2 and 3, and then we go just to a regular E chord, and again strings 2 and 3. So that's like, okay, and then bass, light strum on the chord, and then bass. Okay, so you're going, and the skies are grey. And then back to your F chord, play the bass with strings 2 and 3, and then the second string again. And then we're going to play that second string first fret twice, and then it's to a C chord, and play strings 2 and 5. So there you've got, I've been for a walk. Like that, it's quite quick. Okay, but that's what we're doing. And then a light strum on the chord, E7, so E, but add the third fret on the second string, play strings 2, 3, and 6, and then 2 and 3 again. And then we're going to A minor and play strings 1 and 2, and then bass. So, bass, and then a light strum on the chord, targeting the second string, and then play the second string again, then back to our F, play strings 2, 3, and 6 together, and then the second string. So, okay, so there you've gone, I've been for a walk, been for a walk on winters, and then back to our E7 sus4, okay, and play strings 2 and 3, bass, and then this time we're going to go up to the third fret on the second string, so it's like an E7 sus4, and play strings 2 and 3 together, and then same again but with the bass, and again with the bass, and then again just strings 2 and 3. Okay, so like that. Okay, then just do a regular E, strings 2 and 3, bass, strum. Okay, so from that last F, or the F before, where we went, I've been for a walk on a winter's day, on a winter's day. Okay, so that's the first half of the first verse. You have played And then continuing, we then have I'll be safe for more, safe for more if I was in LA. And then it's into the chorus. So there, that starts on the 4th string. We just play frets 2, 2, 3, 2. Okay, and then it's A minor, 2 strings 2 and 5, then 3, and then strum, and then bass. So, and then to a G, just the bass note is all you need. Play that with the open the second string and the 3rd string, and then we're going to strum the chord, roughly strings 3 and 4, and then we're going to an F, and we'll hold that down, play the 2nd and the 4th string, and then bass. So. Okay, and then 3rd string, open 2nd string, and then it's back to our G, and just like before, so you're going to play the bass note, and we're going to do the pull off 3 to 2 on the 3rd string. Okay, and then play the open 3rd string twice. Okay, and then we're going to slide 1 to 2 on the 4th string. Okay, so it's like that. So I'll be safe for more, safe. Okay, so we did that slide, and then we're into our E sus. Okay, so we've done the slide, play the bass, so 6th string, and then we've got that. So play the bass, and then 2nd and 3rd string together, and then again with the bass, and again with the bass, and then twice more, just strings 2 and 3. And then on the 3rd string, that 2nd fret goes down to the 1st fret, just to a regular E. Play that, and then bass, and then strum. Okay, so there. You've got that. So all together you've gone, I'll be safe for more if I was in LA, if I was in LA. Okay? Tricky, I know, of course, it's not easy, but just practice it and you will get it. And then after that, we're going into the chorus. So just getting into it, we're on our E. Then from there, you can slide, from the 3rd fret or the 2nd fret up to the 6th fret on the 4th string. Then play the 5th fret on the 2nd string, so like that. Then the 3rd fret on the same 2 strings, so strings 2 and 4. And then the 1st and 2nd fret, and then open strings 2 and 4. So, and that's going to lead you into the chorus. So the chorus is only short, and it goes. Okay, so hold down an A minor and play strings 2 and 5, and then strum, and I'm targeting, strings 2 and 3. So, and then bass, into our G, play the bass with strings 2 and 3, and then we're going to strum strings 2 and 3. So, okay, then we go to our F, play strings 3 and 4. And then bass, and then again strings 3 and 4. So just California dreaming. Okay, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then we go up to a G. Of course, the bass note, but this time 3rd fret on the 2nd string included. Play those 2 together, and then on the 2nd string play 1, 3, 1. So California dreaming on such a winter's, to our E, E sus4, so we hold that down, play strings 1, 2, 3, and 6, and then strum, and then I'll play the bass again, so 1, and then I'll strum down, 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 up, and 4, and then I'll just strum an E. So something like that, but there's many different ways. You could just go like that, however you want to do that, but it's just E sus to E. So the chorus goes like that. So there you go. In this lesson we've learned how to play the intro, the first verse, and the chorus. If you'd like to learn how to play the rest of the song, just follow the link down in the description and you're going to get the rest of the lesson right away completely for free. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com. There's hundreds more lessons over there, and they're all on fingerpicking, of course, for the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced player. So if you really want to take your fingerpicking and fingerstyle to the next level, then check it out. Head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com. But that's it for now. Thanks so much. I'll see you again real soon.